I guess in this video I'm going to discuss what view in PostgreSQL. So about the view are virtual or pseudo tables that hold data from one or more tables. So let's understand by example. So right here I'm going to create one simplest view. So let's write out here create. Now here after create view and give the view name. So giving add here view name hello, and hereafter let's use as, and here select, and in single quote going to write hello world. Now let's close by semicolon. So execute this query. So at here you can find SQL create view connected and completed. Now here after the next thing is to schema, and here you can find public, and here you can find views. So that I just created one view, the name is hello. Now here after let's see write at here select command, and here select a star from, and here I created one view, the name is hello. So if I execute this query, so at here you can find the output hello world, it's a displaying because at here select hello world or this thing that I apply at here. Now here after the next thing is, so here you can find inside public there is a table, EMP table is there. So let's write the query at here select a star from EMP. Now if you execute this query, so this is the records inside EMP table. So by using this EMP table I'm going to create the view. So you only need to write at here create and here view, and here after give the view name. So giving at here view underscore EMP, and here let's use as. So as that denote alias. Now here after if I execute this query, so there view will be created view underscore EMP. So here you can find now here after let's see at here v underscore emp it's created. Now here after the next thing is let's write at here select a star from, and here v underscore emp. So whatever the contents inside emp table that comes under view underscore emp. So if you execute here, then you can get the this kind of result. So this kind of data, because this kind of data present and EMP. Now here after to drop the view, so simply write at here drop and here view. So at here I'm going to drop the view EMP underscore view. Now execute this query. So here this is the output. Here you can find drop view completed, no any error. Now here after so here you can find view dropped, EMP underscore view not in the list. Now here after you can create the view by supplying some constant. So let's write at here create view, and here after writing EMP underscore view. So this is the view that I'm going to create, and here after let's use as, and here select a star from, or the table name going to give add here employee. Now if I execute this query, So this is the record inside. So from here I'm going to select employee ID, first name, last name, salary and department ID. So let's use that here. Employee ID here, first name, and here last name, and hereafter salary, and hereafter department ID. From employees table, now hereafter let's use where clause, where department ID. So here if you give 20, so it will do the first filtering, and here it will select this all columns. Now here if I go to execute this code, so this is, here you can find create a view employee, and here this is so completed successfully. Now here you can find EMP underscore view, it's a created. Now hereafter let's execute this code or select a star from EMP underscore view. Now hereafter let's execute here EMP department ID only 20, and this is the column that I selected. So add here employee ID, first name, last name. So this is the simplest way we can create the view. So we can create the view by using any or tables or a store procedure here. So if you don't give add here as, and if I'm going to create, so let's see what happens. So add here I'm getting this kind of error. That means we can create the view by or supplying add here as, so as that denote alias, and by taking any reference table. Use add here create view EMP. So add here syntax kind of here it's a displaying. That means we can create the view by referencing any tables. So that means add here view are virtual and pseudo tables that hold the data from one or more tables. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.